Good day everyone! This is a video tutorial on how to create a simple maze game using Visual Basic Express 2010. First, click File, select New Project and click Windows Form Application. Second, click the box then go to the Properties. Look for the size then change it to 500 by 500. Look for the maximize box, then make the condition false. Proceed to the toolbox, then drag the panel. After dragging, resize it, then look for the border style and choose Fix 3D. Proceed to the toolbox, then drag the label. After dragging, resize it, then look for the auto size, then make it false. Delete the text. Look for the back color, click Web and then choose forest green color. Then, right-click this to copy and paste, and then click this one, change the size to make it vertical. Then, right-click this to copy and paste. And then click this one, change the size to make it vertical. Proceed to the toolbox and drag another label. Go to the Properties and look for the name. Change it to Finish. Look for the text, change it also to Finish, then arrange the label. Right-click to view the code. So for this part, the coding starts. To run the program, click the debug button. So this is how the maze works. If the cursor touches any of the block, it will go back to the starting point. And then of course, the goal of the user is to finish this maze until he or she reaches the finish button. And a congratulatory message. Congratulations will appear.